Time and time again, rogue judges have asserted, as though they were 5 of the 9 members of the Supreme Court.
Our Constitution did not create a plural executive or judicial tyranny. Today, we're far too close to both.
Who gets to make the call? Is it the guy whose name was on the ballot, or is it some bureaucrat? Is it the guy who got 77 million votes, or some district judge?
During his tenure, 14 federal judges issued injunctions against policies that he pursued via executive order. How many of them were appointed by Republican presidents? Do you know?
No.
100%, all of them.
Well, you're making my case.
I'm making your case.
What it means to have law and order in this country is that you follow the order and you go through the appeals process, even if you dislike what the judge did.
AOC, as we know her, filed articles of impeachment on Justice Thomas and Alito. Ms. Crockett was one of the co-sponsors, along with Mr. Cohen, both members of this committee. It does seem interesting that when the shoe is on the other foot, everyone is self-righteous.
Okay, GOP lawmakers taking on judges blocking the Trump agenda. We've got Darrell Issa, Congressman Issa, and Senator Chuck Grassley moving on legislation to change that. Joining us now, Senator Tommy Tuberville. Senator, it's always wonderful, a pleasure to see you again. What's your take on all of this?
Shop for a judge, Liz. That's all they're doing. I'd like to see their catalog of all these woke judges that they have, where they can just pick one out. That's all they're doing. These are the most woke judges they can get in touch with to run their agenda. They're playing four corners basketball. Slow Trump down. He's doing too much good work for the American people. They're running over us as Democrats. That's all they're trying to do. Let's shop for a judge.
Senator, so Congressman Darrell Issa has a bill to stop this, to stop judges from issuing nationwide injunctions, like the one issued by federal judge James Boasberg to halt temporarily deportations under the Alien Enemies Act. And then you have Senate Judiciary Chair Senator Chuck Grassley. He's got a bill to limit judicial rulings only to the parties involved, ending the practice of universal injunctions. Do either of these bills have a chance of passing?
I would hope so. But first of all, let's just bring to light the problem. They're doing injunctions on President Trump, the guy that was elected, and not on the people that are in their courtroom. And that's what they're supposed to be about. They have no judicial legislation that they can push out there to override a president of the United States. They weren't elected. So, you know, I love talking to Senators Kennedy, Senators Hawley. They're very good prosecutors, and they just laugh when these judges come up with some of these rulings. At the end of the day, Supreme Court is going to win out for President Trump. I look forward to that happening in the near future.
Yeah, Senator, because the president does have other powers, powers under other laws like Title VIII to do deportations, right? Exactly.
He's got all kind of judicial process he can go through. He can go around the Democrats as much as he wants, but at the end of the day, he's doing the right thing. Do it for the American people. The Democrats have nothing to go on. I heard you talk earlier about Cory Booker for 25 hours straight and didn't talk about anything to help the American people. It was a joke, absolute joke. He actually ran down my state of Alabama for about an hour, and that's all it was. It's just hearsay. Let's throw stuff at the Republicans. Let's try to bring them down. Nobody listened to it, but President Trump is going to win out, just like these tariffs. He's going to win out on the tariffs in the long run, and the Democrats are going to regret everything that they're saying.
Senator Tuberville, a pleasure again to say that, to have you on. It's good to see you.